These are the questions of chapter number 8. Question number 1, define the types of pollution. Question number 2, briefly explain the causes of water pollution. Question number 3, question number 4, what is greenhouse effect? Question number 5, is explain how pollution is developing adverse effects in living organisms.
Miss, today we will do all the questions.
You need to write all the questions in your notebook, then you will solve each question one by one of chapter number 8, pollution.
मिस
Yes.
मैं पहले सारे क्वेश्चन उतारने फिर आंसर्स लिखना है
जी.
ये तो नहीं करना है पहले क्वेश्चन उतार
Fast, then you will solve each question one by one. Write all the questions in your notebook. Okay.
वाटर पॉल्यूशन है
Yes. Yes.
एयर पॉल्यूशन है
Exactly. So there are 3 types of pollution we have discussed, right? And you need to define each of them.
मैं इनके आंसर्स क्या होंगे
Find out, like you have told me that we need to find out the answer from 78. Do find more. Everybody has done with all the questions. Hafiz Hamza Imran, Jafar, Abira, Soleh, Ashba, Mushtaba.
Yes, miss.
Are you done with all the questions? Ji Soleh, have you written all the questions in your notebook? So who gonna tell me the answer number 1?
In land pollution, we will start from this. Land pollution occurs when waste or rubbish is not disposed of properly.
Yes, Amir, repeat your answer.
Land pollution occurs when waste or rubbish is not disposed of properly. Every day, Thousands of kilograms of rubbish are produced by households and industries. In many places around the world, there is no proper rubbish collection or
That would be the whole answer. That is about the littering and improper disposal of rubbish. But you just need to define over here only the land pollution. What is it basically? Define it. Yes, Mushtabai, sorry, Fakia, you are right. Fakia, speak up on mic. That's what I was trying to say.
Page 79, 8.4.
Okay. She said page number 79, C 8.4, where all these types of pollution are given. Right? So figure 8.4, the main types of pollution, the basic, you can say point, all the basic points are given over here. Air pollution, when the air is contaminated with dust, ash or harmful gases, it is polluted. Right? Likewise, the other two types of pollution are given over here. Are you all getting my point? So how can you write the definition? Sorry?
The definition land pollution से लेके increase and decreases तक है.
So the next question is briefly explain the causes of water pollution. How many causes of water pollution we have discussed? Who gonna tell me? Yes.
Can I?
Sure.
Sewage, farming activities, soil erosion, oil pollution, mining activities.
Exactly. We have discussed 5 causes of water pollution. Number 1 is sewage. Number 2, farming activities. Number 3, soil erosion. Number 4, oil pollution. And the last one is the mining activities, right? So you need to briefly explain each cause of water pollution. Okay? Everyone? We have discussed 5 causes of water pollution, and after that we need to discuss and we need to briefly explain each cause of water pollution. What we have discussed? Who gonna tell me the answer, or how can we write the answer about the sewage? Because we just need to briefly explain. Okay? Yes, Amir, speak up.
This, in many countries, raw sewage is discharged directly into rivers and seas by long pipes. This sewage is from the industries and homes and contains human waste, detergents, bleach, fabric softener, and chemicals from industries. Human waste breaks down eventually, but it also contains bacteria and viruses that can pollute the rivers and seas into which the sewage is discharged.
Okay. What is farming activities? Yes, Abira, you have raised your hand before. Tell me about the farming activities. Ji.
Chemical used by farmers will be washed into the soil. These chemicals can also be washed into rivers, lakes, and seas, causing water pollution. Fertilizer, when washed into rivers, lakes, sometimes promote the excessive growth of aquatic plant and organisms. Excessive growth of the plant blocks out the sunlight to deeper waters. Organisms and plants that live at lower depth will die without sunlight. When the plant dies, the oxygen level in the water drops. This is called
This is called eutrophication. Exactly. Yes. So this is for farming activities. Abira just has she has just shared with us the point. Pollution. If we talk about the next one, soil erosion. Yes, who gonna tell me about the soil erosion? जी, कौन बताएगा मुझे soil erosion के बारे में? I can't hear you, Ashba. Your mic is not working, I guess. What's the issue? I don't know. Okay. Any other student? Like Amir said from the first line, when forests are cleared, that soil previously held together by the tree roots is easily washed away by the rainwater. Okay, and then you can continue with the next line: the soil that is washed away enter river and sea polluting the water. You can write in such a way. You can write like this. Okay, the next one, the fourth one is the oil pollution. So who gonna tell me? Jafar, are you there in the class? Jafar is not here. Yes, Abira.
Oil that drips from vehicles, equipment, and leaks its wash into storms, sewers, and eventually into rivers and seas. Ship discharge oily wastes, and sometimes spills occur at sea.
Okay, how will you write the answer? You can do it in such a way from the first line, like while the drift from vehicle equipments and leak is washed, storm, sewers, and eventually into rivers and seas. After that, although you can, the drilling and extraction of oil and gases, especially offshore operations, add to the soil from other sources to pollute the water. Okay, because they have described the oil pollution over here. Are you all getting my point? This is for fourth cause of pollution, that is oil pollution. The last one is mining activities. Yes, who gonna tell me about the mining activities?
Miss, from the fourth line, mining exposes Miss till the Miss before figure 8.10.
Okay, yes, you can write like this, Amir. You are
Miss,
absolutely right. From the fourth line, mining exposes heavy metals, zinc, and cadmium and sulfur that
which
have
page
been
number is here?
82 in the ground.
Which
Previously,
page number is here?
rainwater washes these into river and seas. Such pollution sometimes continues for a long time after the mining has ceased. Okay, so this is for the last cause of water pollution, that is mining activities.
Miss, शुरू से
Briefly explain the cause of water pollution we have done in our notebook as well. ठीक है?
skip किया कर रही है? या
I hope everything is clear to all of you.